Telegram. Don't worry about this audio. Don't worry about this. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let's do NQ. Let's do Monday to Friday areas. Let's do Forex Factory. I think we are good to go. Pressure is down. 23 by 80. Yeah. All right, I think we're good on. Let me double check my audio is good here. Yeah, audio is good here. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, audio is good here. Audio is good on Zoom. Audio is good on Telegram. And live, we got some people connecting in. Let's double check. We are. Let me just confirm. Okay. All right, good morning, everybody. Thursday, July 24th, 9:16 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, okay, so let's get started at superareas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. Um what happened yesterday? The Tesla's down, Google is up, so Alphabet is up. But doesn't matter. So neutralized, did not break our highest high ever of 425, only went to 422. 23, 422 is upper number, lower number as low as 23, 327. So there you go, 95 points move. Where are we right now? 430 R1. It should be good. Now, gap is very, again, low between R1 to R2 to R3 is only if it pushes up another 100 points. Why the gaps are low? Because it's the first time ever market is going there. There are no previous historical levels of this market altogether. So computer is doing its own calculation based on how it's been all. So whenever you're in the new territory and you have no previous support and resistance to compare with of last 18 years, you get these levels. So 430 to 450 is the first. You want to play safe, wait for 500 at least. So that's the safe bet from here. From 350 to 500 is 150 points. Yeah, अगर push आ गई, so 500 would be a good number. So this is where I'm predicting. We will wait for price to go to R2 upper level because 422 to 580 points, and if there's a big move, I doubt it. But hey, you never know with Nasdaq. So because the levels are low, we are. I am picking 500. You want to place more safer? Pick 550 because R2 we but 500 should be okay to not give us. तो सर हम 500 से 2 माइक्रो लाइव अकाउंट में कहेंगे अगर ये वहां पहुंच गए. ES, we have a high and lows. ES, we have 40, 6405, 60, bless it, 6391. So not much of again of a move. ES, if it reaches around 35 to 37, 47, let me see the difference between 41 points between each. That's too much. 41 points for $1 move. So 6420 अगर ES उधर चली गई. So I'm planning picking up R2. R2 I'm picking up for ES 6420, and for Nasdaq I'm taking upper number 23,500. So this is my plan, and I will see how it goes based on what happens next. So let me log in through. Eight 995 885. उसके वजह बेरी आया थे. Of course, as usual, I will be adding my own disclaimers. Everything I say is just for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. I like to keep you guys entertained. So nothing is financial advice. You make money, good for you. You lost money, I apologize. So that's all I can say or do about it. So, because we have handed over this project for the whole 3-4 hour streams, and it will refine it at the end, and it will give us a summary in 10 minutes. So, yesterday I posted two in Telegram. It's like a 10-minute clip that tells you how the day went, how our floor went. So, this is a new feature we're adding. It's called Deep Dive. You will have access to it. Yes, sir, mid band to chal gaya. Yeah. हाँ हाँ, ये तो 30-20 15-10 का नजर आ रहा है, right? So
15-10 का तो काफी पहले ले
ओके ओके, तो हो चुका है,
वो हो चुका है, उसके बाद
अब उसके बाद 30-20 भी हो चुका है।
हाँ जी, वो मैंने लिया नहीं,
ठीक है, इट्स
क्योंकि
ओके।
वो हाफ कैंडल पे था।
हाँ
और
वो
मैं
क्योंकि वो तो बल्कि गैप ट्रेड बना था, रिट्रेसमेंट डाइवर्जेंस बनी ना आपकी, योर प्राइस डिड नॉट गो अप टू, you see BBs did not move, RSI did not move, so now they have asked me specifically not speak any language we can't translate, so we'll stick to English. So we'll keep it lightweight, humorous. So
one question.
Mhm.
Super really, if I go on this one,
हाँ
I cannot see my videos. It does allow.
हैं
It
सर,
does.
सारी हैं।
No education.
एक दफा अभी लॉगिन कीजिएगा, so it should be there, should all
I
be
wanted
there.
to see on my phone, but I couldn't.
ना फोन पे नहीं आती
फोन पे तो
सर, फोन पे इतनी आपको ये हाँ
नहीं ये
हाँ
वो मेरे जो एजुकेशनल है ना,
हाँ हाँ
उसका वीडियो इसमें मैं नहीं खोल सकता, ऑप्शन ही नहीं है।
नहीं, फोन पे तो खुलता ही नहीं है, बंद किया हुआ है, क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं फोन पे कोई देखा ही ना।
ओनली फिट्स।
फिप्स का टूल है, टूल्स है, लेकिन नॉट एजुकेशनल वीडियोस, नथिंग इज अवेलेबल।
मेरे उसके सुपर एरिया में
नहीं नहीं, क्योंकि बिकॉज इट इज डूइंग इन सच ए गुड लेंथ, iPad is okay, but लेकिन फोन पे you can watch live stream, I think, but or Telegram, but let's see. I'm getting ready. It's opening in between R1 S1, so I don't know if yesterday's Zoom got recorded, but hopefully. Can't promise that, guys. Can't promise everything.
YouTube की वीडियोस लोग बाद में देखते हैं।
So today, first thing is unemployment claims came, so less people lost jobs, and next is big one is 945. So please be careful. This could be rough. Flash PMI could be rough. So good morning, G. Dashboard.
So I have a question regarding areas.
हाँ जी।
How sometimes when during I'm talking English to people,
हाँ हाँ
so in the morning time, let's suppose around 9:30, if you're opening at 2 and around 10 o'clock, let's suppose expected high came. This expected high is
resistance.
same chances of getting filled. Let's suppose in the daytime this comes at 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it's the same. Like these are just numbers, right? So for example, today computer has said if price goes to 64.37 to 64.47 in ES, price will reverse. So they got updated around 8:30. Now from 8:30 till tomorrow's 8:30, they're valid. They can come anytime. When do they come? We don't know. That's the problem. So maybe up till 11, it will get to R2. Intraday target 1, 2, 3, 4. So Murtaz Zoom is maybe not started yet. You gotta log out and log back in. So we're making so but sir, every morning different.
But stronger areas are expected high.
Oh yes, the stronger.
If they come in the morning, nighttime, whenever they come, it doesn't matter, they're strong.
Yes, expected high is always going to be very strong. R2 upper limit, G. Yes, 500 is my plan for Nasdaq. Just going to hear the brief from Daniel and kind of it reinforces my own analysis. So, and we'll see. Yeah, it's kind of dead.
It did move like 2 minutes ago.
And maybe it's our computers are having some issues because it's actually dead. This one is moving. This one is not. So the price is actually at 6,400. So these charts are messed up.
It's a 64 or 0.
Ajay, your charts are messed up. Let me double check. There you go. Now we are caught up. Because even though one tick, it can't have that four markets just get. So even my clock wasn't moving. So that's slightly fixed up. Okay, let me move this slightly up here. 927.16. Yes, chart, we're stuck, sorry, and got it fixed.
You got a clock too?
Yes, now, because then you can see, right now we are here, what's abhi kya time chal raha hai? I think we are 5 seconds delayed or.
Even live when you're today?
Assalamualaikum, sir. Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam, Jain. Walaikum salam. Good morning, Jai Saab. Good morning, Ranjit Ji Alpaji. Good morning. Abbas Bhai Mahib. Good morning. Amir Bhai Vikas. Amreen Majid. Good morning. Clifford Ji. Good morning. Jagdeep Ji. Said Ali Ji. Good morning. Manpreet Ji. Good morning. Rizwan, Sandeep, Amar, good morning. Nick, good morning. Mohsen, walaikum salam. Quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our trading floor not attended as trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decisions, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. And please do what you see, don't do what you think, and treat this market the very first day you treat. And all the areas we have on our superareas.com or on our graphs of not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, our S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Russell are sync. Dow is not sync, and especially other market that is crazy tank is the gold. Gold, big time drop, very close to our expected low for the day today. Wait for the low to hit, and because we have a little cushion on bigger time frames, so wait for it to hit. Today, S&P 500, our base is up in almost retracement diversion. Strength crossed back down. Actually, strength, we have sellers in the market. So morning, very close, if you say very close to our S1, actually it hit S1 area and bounced back 90. Actually 91, 90 is our S1 area. Our expected high for S&P 500 is 64.37 to 47. Low is 63.58 to 48. And Nasdaq, our high is 23.550 to 620. Our low for Nasdaq is 23.160 to 100. Right now, earnings are taking market to the upside. A very strong, good earning from Alphabet, and that is taking market to the upside. Dow is going opposite way. Dow is full-fledged down and trying to actually testing our yesterday low area. And strength is at 50%. If you look at the strength in the value area, morning it hit the top of the value area and came down, fill up the full value area to the downside. So right now, value area will decide on Dow to go for the down. Russell start going down, break our night session low. Russell just right now penetrate from our S1 and our night session low area. If Russell and Dows are going down and S&P is at the history level higher high ever, we might see these Nasdaq and S&P might goes down. Nasdaq went to yesterday expected high, S&P at our yesterday expected high area. So it's getting a tough time to create a diversion at this area. Highly manipulated market, and that's why they're keeping market to the upside to either put the margin calls or people get panic and they get it from the market. Other European session it was down, Euro was down, British pound came down. As one area, fill up the value area, it was out this morning out of the value area, get inside the value area, Euro session, and fill up the value area. And right now at S1 area, same thing with the excuse me, and same thing with our Canadian dollar. So Canadian dollar was up from the value area, test our value area, fill up the value area, and now it's out from our value area at S1 area, our Canadian dollar. Euro bounced back up just half an hour, just less than half an hour bounced back up. It was in almost fill up the value area from S1, just shoot to the upside, and right now above PP area. Crude oil went up yesterday, if you remember, went to very close to our expected high, almost hit our expected high for the day, and didn't retrace back down much. Right now, no retracement. This is just a one bar up and next bar to the downside. Not much movement on our crude oil. Around 40%. Yeah, it covers up 40%, but it's not giving us any higher low. No higher low, but we have a higher high, $1.61 push to the upside. After DAX is down. After DAX yesterday went to our extreme high area, and from extreme high bounced back down. And right now, 72% of yesterday push. We knew that if it hit extreme high, our extreme high area, it has to come down, and that's where it came down. Gold, if you remember, previously very strong push to the upside. Gold was keep going up. If you remember, 33.14, just July 17 last week. Friday, Thursday, Friday, from 13.14, it went 34.51. That's a huge push to the upside and creates a diversion. If you remember, day before yesterday, gold was in diversion, triple diversion, and that's why we have this straight $90 push, $90.60 push to the downside. Anywhere below 48, 33, 48, 47 is our area for gold to bounce back up from there. That's our expected low for that. Actually, yesterday extreme low, it's below our yesterday extreme low area. Copper is coming down. Copper creates a diversion. This morning it creates diversion, and from diversion, the copper is coming down. Strength was way before telling us you have sellers in the market. And that's why we have this very nice push to the down, 17 cents. That's a big push to the downside. And silver is down 98 cents from yesterday diversion area. So silver came down, same as gold. Gold is going down, silver will go down, and it came down 98 cents and expected low. The best is expected low for the day for silver. The best is from that area. Natural gas, not much, but 10 cents push to the upside. This morning after 8 o'clock, actually after 7 o'clock, the low we had, and it started bouncing back up. Right now in between, it just fell up the value. Actually, it was below the value area and just fill up the value area, and right now above PP and top of the value area. Bitcoin yesterday went up, same give back, almost 105% push to the upside. It gives back everything. It's undecided, but it's above PP. The Bitcoin is above PP, above value area, so we might see a push to the upside on our Bitcoin. And same thing with the Ethereum. If you look, Ethereum yesterday went down $160, and right now gives back exactly full 100% that push that we had to the downside. it covers up everything. High to go low on S&P, Nasdaq. High to go low, Nasdaq bouncing back. Nasdaq did not hit our one area. S&P very close to just shy a few points from our one area, and right now above PP, in between PP and our one area. News, guys, green to go down, red to go up, and especially our new home sales and flash manufacturing PMI. First, remember, it goes in the color and then opposite color. So we'll see after 10 o'clock which way, 9:45, which way the price is heading. If red to go up and green to go down. But overall, look like the price is overbought right now. It's overbought, just looking for some big reason for market to drop. So far we don't have any reason right now, and highly manipulated market, guys. Best is high to go low. The high areas to go low would be a good strategy today. So everybody, you see at open, it just moved a little bit and just paused because they're waiting for 10 o'clock news, and then after 10 o'clock we'll see either push to the upside or to the downside. So if price break yesterday high, it means we are in full-fledged diversion to the downside. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can text me or you can call me. Or more chances are to the downside, G. The more chances are to the downside.
Okay, this was your quick brief. So everybody's waiting for the 9:45 news at 9:45, 10 o'clock news. 6 minutes, 55 seconds to go. This is high impact news. Some companies let you trade, some don't. So just know your rights in terms of, so you don't want to get, and more I'm getting this complaint that they have closed my account on Legends and take profit. If you have an order open beyond 5 o'clock, they will automatically shut down your account. Whether PA, you have money, you have no money, that's just the way they will work. So make sure, don't mess it up, please. It can get pretty rough pretty fast. So there's no reason for you guys to risk this.
I think Purdia can have like
Purdia allows you to just close the trade, and because it's an expensive account. So day traders, one up, many companies will have that rule that don't leave your trades open, please.
I think Purdia closed at 4:45.
4:45 too, right? So you just have to always be careful. Make sure in rhythmic, make sure if you have an order that didn't get executed, that's not a big of an issue. Issue is a position that's open. The position, you cannot do it. So market is all-time craziness at the moment. So what I took, the three things I took from this brief. Number one, we're gonna stay in short, high to go low. Number two, we're gonna see the news. If the news is green, it will possible to go down. If the news is red, price should go up. So these are the three. And the third one is if price breaks 425, we are a divergence to the downside. So let's see when will they correct this market. This is too high. वैसे हमें अच्छा मौका दिया था निकालने का, लेकिन अदरवाइज ये काम उन्होंने लिक्विडिटी क्रिएट की. So otherwise, look, 422, it would have been rough, right? So let's see.
R1 resistance is strong or very.
R1 should work on ES. Couple of points should come out of it, but I am putting myself because of the news, I am taking my order to the R2.
R2
So 6420 and then 23,500. That's where my Nasdaq and ES orders are. I was, by the way, short from yesterday. 393 short था हूँ. सुबह 6 बजे आँख खुली, थोड़ी बहुत मछलियाँ पकड़ी हुई थी 5 माइक्रो के अंदर, नेट में फंसाया हुआ था, right? So yes, from yesterday's Zoom, I was short. Because when you have a live account or when you have a end of day static account, you're not so concerned because you have full 23 hours, right? Right now, we have what, 5 plus 2, 7 hours of playing field left, right? So, time. So, in futures market, 6 p.m., you kind of have, if you're doing an area trade and you have a live account, you have a static account, end of day account, you can kind of let it roam around with a couple of micros. So 5 micro, I left it at 393 and I had an exit at 360. 30 points, 5 micros, that's what it, $300. So, right. So $300 on per dia is done. And power of micros, guys. It's, and again, keep repeating myself. You have a smaller account, PA, not round one. Round one, you want to finish as fast as possible.
Right.
Within 30 days. So do play with minis. But 3 minutes to the news. But when you start to go into micros, please funded, PA, then you or live micro. So let's say you have a $1,500 account, 1 to 2 micro. If you have a $2,500 account, जब आप graduate हो गए आगे जाएंगे, your target would become, so reduce your risk, maybe 3 micros, 4 micros, and maximum 5 micros. Because again, what's the goal? Let's say your goal is $200 a day divided by 5 micros of MNQ divided by 10. That's only 20 points. From expected high R2, 20 points can come and go, no problem. होता ही है कि हमारा गोल होता है $10,000 a day. That's goal ही wrong है ना. Account का size, so the goal doesn't match your sizing. So sizing in futures is the most critical thing ever. And this is the only thing I've learned. I used to play, because what happened is, yes, they will let you trade a mini, but to mini hold overnight, you need like 20 grand, one. Right? So let's see, guys. We are coming. Storm is coming in about 1 minute, 28 seconds. So be ready accordingly.
मेरा आंसर हमेशा यस यस ही है।
कल आप एक दफा पूछे ना, लगा दो, मैंने कहा लगा दो।
कहते थे हैं, कहते मैं तो वही कहूंगा जो
चढ़ गई ऊपर।
अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट पे ज्यादा नहीं, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट में बड़ी न्यूज थी, उस पर तो हलचल नहीं।
Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Blast.
The car pending.
ये सारे ऊपर
जी
कुछ नहीं गई, पेंडिंग आ
भाई लगा दो
मैंने तो लगाया हुआ है, वेट करता हूँ
भाई।
वो दिन कहाँ गए जब मार्केट भागती ऊपर।
ये
रिजल्ट आया नहीं।
सही लगा, बस मेरा ऑर्डर ही नहीं लिया।
आया एक तो नीचे जाएगा।
ऑलराइट,
अभी लगा सकते हैं,
जिधर मर्जी लगाएं। मेरा आंसर हमेशा एक ही आएगा। किधर है जी? 3, was there a spike? Little bit, so nothing crazy.
$125.
Oh, that's good. Every money is good money inside this business. So I got missed the spike, but what's the number? Is it green or is it? It is, one is red, one is green. That's why kind of neutralizing it. Neutralize हो गया, threat neutralize हो गया जी फिल्मों में कहते हैं. So flash PMI is green and flash manufacturing is red. Okay. Come on, give me a big retrace down 250 points. Where am I buying from? Just saying 23,100. If I need to buy, that's the number I'm looking to buy, even though I'm not a big buying fan. So, because previous lows are 23,105, so 105 is okay. One point. The 23,105, I'm not going to enter a long position personally before 23,105. That's what I am planning. Let's look at ES. So you guys already have my number, 23,500 for sell, 23,105 for buy. These are, again, both, one is R2, one is expected low. So
Why did you 105?
one पिछला previous low was 105. So 4 days ago, previous low was 105. So ES, let's take a look at ES. What? Yeah, it's so we're heading back into that zone of R1. Let's see. If I think this now has become another highest high ever.
Yeah.
There you go. More craziness. We're inside R1G. It gave us something?
अगेन लेकिन 2 पॉइंट नीचे ले गए हैं.
अच्छा. Kind of stuck inside R1. So now we have a new number for Nasdaq by ES, by the way, in the history of the numbers, which is 6410. So now we have a number in numbers.
Yesterday is 6407.
7. So today is another newer record. They just want to run that headlines and see on CNBC, MSNBC, and Nasdaq hits one more record, even though 1 point.
Yeah.
Higher high ever G. So it's okay. It is what it is. Oh,
आपने लिया
आपने R1 लिया? Okay. So R1 officially worked. So that's a good sign. Mine and trade. Maybe the internet. So The power of micros.
एरिया से नीचे आएगी तो मिड बैंड बने थे
बनेगा पर कहते हैं एरिया के नीचे होना मतलब
ये चांसेस होते हैं कि क्योंकि मार्केट काफी 1025 पे लगा है ना। यस सर। बस हाँ ठीक ठाक आप सुनाए। सर 5 मिनट दो जी। जी एनी डेस्क है, मैं खोलता हूँ। एनी डेस्क पेज। ओके मैं आपको R1 is officially done, by the way. It did respect it. It did, even though not a big fan of it, but R1 worked.
So is S1 work too?
S1 बाइंग तो जानी नहीं है जी। बाइंग तो प्रेशर इतना सख्त है।
नहीं in morning time पे जब 847 पे
नहीं देखें प्राइस एरिया उस वक्त तक नहीं होता जब तक रिलीज ना हो ना। इन टर्म्स ऑफ आप अभी तो 8:30 के बाद तो S1 नहीं आया। कितना करीब आया है?
सर 6391 में जा था 90।
मैं अभी चेक करता हूँ कि अगर 8:30 से लेकर अब तक S1, let me see if S1 because I got an alert. Good morning जी। क्लोज आया था 90 हमारे पास नंबर था। हाँ 90 था, 91 से बाउंस किया।
So Idami is done.
That is pretty much done, but I am एक डॉलर 2 पॉइंट, लेकिन मैं इसको एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर रहा, मीनिंग कि मैं बाइंग में जा ही नहीं रहा। I'm not a buying person altogether. I don't like to buy. I'm a short person, especially when market is that much all-time high.
गुड मॉर्निंग
से कहते
डेफिनेटली
हैं वो बंदे आने बंद हो गए
तू चले गया ना इसलिए बंद है
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਲੈਟਸ ਸੋ ਆਮ ਓਕੇ ਆਮ ਫਾਈਨ always listen to teach you तो न्यूज़ का इम्पैक्ट आया नहीं
इतना रफ नहीं।
तो थोड़ी सी उठी मार्केट है ना
R1 came down almost 8 points from this, and we had 60-minute divergence. Let's see. Price is stuck again. 65, it's running 2 micros. Okay.
मैं रुका नहीं, रुकना चाहिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे गैप ट्रेड था। आपने नहीं है? आप हो गया?
30-20 लिया ना आपने?
मैंने 15 लिया।
ठीक है, आप एक टिक से रह गए। नहीं वो ठीक है, लेकिन आपका स्टॉप लॉस टेक्निकली वो 30-20 का था। आप सही है। Nothing wrong here. Because why? Because the price did not move the full black candle. So you're okay. This was a good trade. If
मैंने काट दिया
meaning profit से.
One joy.
Done for the day? Super. Good for me.
आपका Nasdaq बहुत प्यारा है, कैसे भी पकड़।
Sir, Nasdaq is
So आप कह रहे थे कि 16-10 का मैं लेता, ये सॉरी 30-20
technically 30-20 ने गैप दिया और आपने 15-10 में ही लिया, लेकिन वो आपका जो स्टॉप लॉस है ना वो एक टिक से रह गया। अगर होता ये है कि हमारा रूल ये है कि हायर हाई -8.5% is your exit, 8.5% no point. So luckily you were okay. So not bad of a trade at all. I'm not saying anything went wrong. I'm just saying it's lucky.
So ये जो 8.5 का rule है, is that has to do like this is here we used to make a black candle उसका?
हाँ जी, वो 8.5 बनती है 30-20 पे black candle. So every time you have a higher high -8.5 on 15-10, 30-20.
एक बात बताई थी कि distance होना चाहिए उसका, ये ना कि वो उनके जो mid band से certain distance होना चाहिए, otherwise don't.
I know, but उसको आसान कर दिया कि 8.5 का रूल रखें,
वहाँ से वो next candle
वहाँ से better है.
30-20.
Yes,
But
correct.
15-10 it was 4.25.
4.75.
75.
Yes.
और distance कितना होना चाहिए?
वही 5 का अगर कहाँ पर लैंड कर रही है
Mid band से कितना distance होना चाहिए? Price.
ये I have to double check.
It was 5.
825 से ऊपर चला गया ना, तो एक टिक से नीचे।
नहीं I'm talking about black candle.
Now we have a first lower high on 1510. अब यहाँ की black candle, now on 1510 we have higher high, higher low. This first lower high, which actually retraced from Fibonacci, everything was fine for Fibonacci yesterday. It's just that one news event kind of ruined it. So don't worry, it's okay.
ये फिबोनाची पे ले
नहीं हो गया सर, वो देखें रेड बॉक्स से वापस आया 1510 में फिब से वापस आया ना।
6408 को
हाँ वो देखें 6408 725 से रिटर्न हुआ एक टिक से। So
एक टिक रहेगा।
yes, it's okay, no worries. SRES is being formed on this, you know. back up to
See if इसने तो दिए. मैंने उतार लिया था लेकिन it gave very nice tips पे ना.
yes.
ये ठीक.
नहीं सर, आपने एनी टेस्ट की नहीं एक्सेप्ट किया? छोटियां छोटियां गल्लां सिख लो ना बाबा जी.
Okay, thank you.
सारी कहानियां ने पाजन एक्सेप्ट किया है. किधर खरीदा है अपने अकाउंट? लेकिन ये लिया है ना अभी. So you got it under market data actives, which is the flush. बाबा जी तुसी सिमुलेशन पे बैठे हो तो ये देखें ना, पर्डिया अबू पे जाए ना, आ गया ना, ये देखें आ गया. ठीक है जी, ओके जी, अल्लाह.
सब ये एक्सपेक्टेड जो होता है हमारा वो R2 ब्रेक होने के बाद
बाद आएगा.
होता है. ओके,
क्योंकि जब तक R2 नहीं जाएगा
निंजा में अगर अपना अकाउंट खोलना तो व्हाट इज द मिनिमम फॉर
It's $1,000. You should. Because then you can easily do a couple of micros, right? Price wants to go down, but this 350 pin up is stuck. $600,293. Let's see. Okay, everything is good to go. You're good until 24th.
But still, I want to make more money. So look.
So it's really stuck in between two areas, not doing anything at all. In terms of Nasdaq, Nasdaq did touch. So
in that, we chose the top number for R2 because it's coming from the bottom, right?
no, it's these days the numbers are so less. That's why I picked up R2.
R2 का upper one.
R2 copper, because the gap is so little between your opening and everything, and because these numbers, when especially from July 14th onwards, these are new highs. And whenever you have new high, computer has no previous resistance values. So it's saying 430, 480, 500, and Nasdaq, if it can push. So a safe zone would be 23,500 for Nasdaq, R2. Safe R1 is done on ES, but R2 we are waiting for around 20 now. If the price goes to 20, that's the next plan.
21, yeah.
Let me see where the traders are sitting. So let me open up my R Trader Pro. I will double check. Let me open my order book. So let's see where people are sitting on es.cme. And looking at my order book, oh, big number sitting on 20. Quite a few people. Like, I mean, like first they're sitting quite a bit around 15. And then this is a big cluster, huge cluster.
So ये कौन सी website है?
ये $40 पर मंथ देने होते हैं और फिर वो आपको दे देते हैं कितने बंदे वहां पर बैठे हैं.
ब्रोकर साइट है जो ब्रोकर से देख
नहीं, ब्रोकर नहीं, कोई भी $40 पे करे पर मंथ वो देख सकता है, कोई ऐसी मसला नहीं है. और बहुत सारे यूजर्स बैठे हुए हैं आपके पास, पता कहाँ, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली एट 50 पे बहुत बड़ा क्लस्टर बैठा पूरे डेप्थ का. These are called level 2 market data. So the way this works is, let me double check, I'm not in a trade. S1 is now officially done, by the way. It fell inside S1 for Nasdaq. So there's right now, every company gives you something called depth of market, level 1. Level 1 just shows you current price, current buyers and sellers moving. If you pay $41 a month or something like that, you can get something called level 2 data. Level 2 gives you like 10 or 20 levels. Price जो करा है ना उससे आप 20-25 ऊपर देख सकते हैं, because that will give you an analysis based on that where people are sitting with their orders. Now it doesn't tell you their buy stops, sell stops, their buy limits, sell limits, but it just knows globally. So my cluster is showing right now is approximately. Let me check. Let me share this from the 20 zone. If I will, let me take a picture of this and kind of tells you what I see. So inside the Telegram, I will send it out into the general group and you guys can see that. So I just sent the picture inside the tent. This black, it was supposed, this black arrow, trying to make a black candle. So I'll give you an idea where how the orders are sitting. So big chunk is sitting anywhere from 25, 156 people, like almost 1,000 orders are sitting between from now to 50. So quite a bit of people sitting at 6,500. Because remember, then the price can kind of come in your favor. All right, it has officially broken your number of power of micros. Oh, Janito, finally breaking some. So that's why we don't take S1, especially that इतनी high और speed से आ रही है S1 उसने respect की थोड़ी सी.
मॉर्निंग में जैसे
हाँ स्लो मार्केट में स्लो में ठीक है.
8:30 के टाइम इस वक्त हुआ था जब.
So
But it's
that's
not valid anymore.
it's not valid anymore for not yet. I mean, Nasdaq S1 has broken already.
ES की बात.
ES did not touch it yet.
तो उसका वो नंबर क्या था वो जो 91 के.
लेकिन वो 91 के करीब आई लेकिन हमारा नंबर 90 था.
Okay. Sorry.
So it touched the 298 inside the fib box. So right now, the first stop would be around 220, 215. So Nasdaq पहला stop S2 पे आ रहा है. 60 minute के जो boxes है ना. So first stop before going to 23,100, it should stop somewhere 23, 205, 210 in that zone. So that's the micros. If you want to look at the first stop of Nasdaq below S2 first, before it gets to 23,100 area. So directly agar buy, if anybody is planning to think about it, I'm not giving advice, but my recommendation or my personal opinion says that it should stop somewhere around 210 first before it goes to the next level down. So 210, and we are now at 320. We got a bit of a room. So 210 and 110. So to Telegram. Don't have any positions open, nothing to worry.
अगले दिन कॉफी का दिखेगा.
Means power.
Yeah, calming down slowly, slowly. So now the new low is 301 for today. 23,301, 23,409. S1 is officially done.
Trade one.
Previous midband was a gap trade on 1510. I hope somebody took. आपने लिया पीछे वाला और ये वाला Okay.
ये वाला लगा हुआ है
ठीक है
64 रुपये
उसी के आसपास
So when it doesn't pick your price up, that means don't go back to the same trade, right?
Correct. It can slightly be risky.
ये फेल करके मिल रहा है
Not yet.
What are you doing?
8.5 तक है
मेरे 3 पॉइंट देता है
कि अभी फिब के अंदर है अब रेड फिब के अंदर है
मैंने 3 टिक लिए हैं बस उसके अलावा I want to be greedy.
नहीं सही किया आपने
नीचे जा भी सकती है नीचे जो बिग बना रही है Never know.
not even have no.
I just stick to 3 ticks, that's it. I want more. Good, still trade.
1510 पे वो 407 पे कह रहे हैं फिप्स का जो चार्ट है
नहीं 407 वाला तो 1510 पे तो नहीं, मेरा 403 पे। अच्छा वो 80% रिट्रेसमेंट है, अभी 403 से आ रही है,
403 पे
आके चली गई, मीनिंग कि इट ऑलरेडी, ये आपको पहले डिसाइड करना होता है जैसे ही ब्लैक कैंडल बनेगी।
ओके
उस ऑर्डर रिवर्स हो जाता है, रिदमिक का।
प्रॉफिट का ऑर्डर तो पिक कर लिया, प्रॉफिट बुक हो गया, वो बुक नहीं, वो अलग से क्लोज।
Anything to do with rhythmic, I find it a bit annoying right now on a cup.
लॉक्स का नहीं लगता साथ में क्या ज्यादा लगता है।
तो माइनस से पिक प्रॉफिट जाते कर दिया।
All right, so that point worked.
मेरा काटा ही नहीं, मैंने वन आ गया था
सर उसने आपको चांस दिया था।
तो मैं एकदम काट, मैं हर बार काट देता हूँ, इसको रुक जाता हूँ।
Because look, 3020 is doing a retrace right now. So let's see if it gives you some options. But it gave you 2 points?
हाँ
पूरा 1 point, FIP के, क्योंकि FIP के बॉक्स के अंदर से आ रहा था, मिड बैंड ठीक है, so it should have worked.
1.25
Yeah, but let's see. It still is Nasdaq. All Nasdaq needs to go down is, what's the difference now? 23 to 6. 23 point is moving Nasdaq to divided by 6. So it's about 3.5. Three. It's okay. ठीक है, it's okay. I'm still giving you some opportunities. कश्ती number 2 आ रही. It's okay. Point here, point there. Unless in the morning, I'm always worried about that news cycle that could come in and. Okay. ठीक है, ठीक कुछ सर भागते चोर की लंगोटी से। सर सारा काम ही पेशेंस का है। So I'm waiting for 20, आराम से बैठ गए and 500 and 20.
6420
6420 का वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं।
मिडिल का नंबर आ गया।
Yeah, somewhere, because based on where people are sitting, quite a few people are sitting at 15 actually, but our number is 18, so I will go at least above that. So between 18 and 21, I mean, lots of people are sitting, almost 18 to 21. So 100, 200, 300, almost 500 orders are between these numbers.
So जो hundreds and thousands goes on both sides, वो उसको देखते ना आप?
नहीं, ये जो नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स लगे होते हैं, फिर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स बिकते हैं, वॉल्यूम होता है, बट
डोम पे आपने लेवल 2 बाय किया ये वेबसाइट पे?
डोम पे डेप्थ
मैंने तो बाय किया था, numbers don't move so fast.
नहीं, लेकिन आपने वो तो करंट ऑर्डर आ रहा है ना, मैं ऊपर जो previous, like far from you is like a lot of people are sitting, for example, at again right now. What price is it? It's 64.10 because that would make it a newer high, right? So I have a lot of people. That's a common thing that people go slightly higher and then higher and then higher. So because remember, everyone is getting in and getting out at different numbers. See, currently the price is 64.04. Quite a few orders are sitting at 64.1050 or 1075. So they drag it up 64.15. Lots sitting there. 25, 40, 50. Because the more orders that sit up, price goes that way, right? So 18,000 orders are in buying and 12,000 are in selling. So price is pulling up slightly. So that changes.
The 18,000 individual.
No, it's called bid size and ask size. I will explain you just in a second. So that kind of builds up the होता है कि जितने ज्यादा आप एनालिसिस डाल लेंगे ना, मुश्किल हो जाएगी, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी, क्योंकि आपने ये भी देखा, आसान ये है कि एक नंबर उठा लें, computer let do the analysis. So let's pick a number 6420, 23,500. If you are not feeling the 500, put in 90 right in between. So आपको जरा feeling हो जाए कि जी मैं ट्रेड में मिस ना हो जाए.
So just expected high numbers, and let's suppose if you want to leave it.
Yeah, put in an ATM.
An ATM, of course, ready, of course, or you're dead. Which, how we can decide if you're using the bottom?
No, there's no deciding. You can split your orders, 2 micros at the bottom, 2 micros at the top, and then average it out. There's no 100%. That's the problem. So you get as close to the thing, but
So I went to the chart for the pips, and the red box at top is showing the number 6407. उस वक्त से जब से
हाँ वो जब ब्लैक कैंडल की, लेकिन वो हो चुका है
607 तक नहीं गया और 407
नहीं वो फिर 80% नहीं है ना, तो 60 उससे निचली लेवल से
वो 78% है 6407.
हाँ वहाँ नहीं उससे निचला लेवल क्या है, गोल्डन रेशियो का,
गोल्डन रेशियो इज 6404.
वहां से मुड़ आया है. तो इस दफा क्योंकि उसने डिफरेंट लेवल टेस्ट है ना, so this time it didn't go to. So right now there is more people who want to buy the contract. So almost 19,000 people want to. 3020, we have an SRES development happening. Let's see.
So at night time, the black panel works very good on gold.
Okay.
Um,
Slow.
it goes very smoothly.
Oh yeah.
सर ब्लैक कैंडल की ट्रेड जैसे कलर चेंज होता है तो पकड़ में कैसे लेनी चाहिए?
ब्लैक कैंडल का तो कोई खास ट्रेड नहीं है, because sometime it will get stuck.
पीछे देखो तो आप सभी कह सकते हो, इधर ले लेते थे और निकल जाते हैं. जब चल रही होती
During the trade, it's always
लेने के लिए देखो तो 50 50 में
30-20 रिलायबल बहुत है तो उसके ऑर्डर आते कम। हाँ
भाई 9 से 11 बजे तक तो आप देख ही सकते हो, इतने पैसे तो बन ही जाते हैं।
What's the 36 we are in? Yes, previous high 64, 10, 25.
सर ये में अगर ट्रेड फास्ट मतलब से ड्रॉप हो गया तो क्लोज मार्केट क्लोज करने से कोई वैल्यूएशन करेगी?
No.
It was a tick.
So let me see where the orders are sitting for Nasdaq. Good question. NQ.CME. Let's take a look at where if anybody's sitting on. So where are people sitting around for Nasdaq? Nasdaq big bulk is sitting 23,457. $23,500. Quite a bit.
क्वेश्चन है ये 30-20 का कलर चेंज होता है,
हाँ जी।
मिड बैंड कलर होता है, इसका क्या आप पहले से बता सकते हैं 15-10 देख के?
हाँ पहले, लेकिन नहीं पॉइंट बेस्ड होता है. At what point it will change? Approximately 5 points from the mid band. 5 points mid band की जो वैल्यू है 5 पॉइंट ऊपर नीचे हो जाए ना तो कलर बैकग्राउंड चेंज हो जाता है.
ओके
या यहाँ पर 3.5 है.
13
तो नहीं, तो 15-10 में 3.5 points पे mid band is changing. The other one is half a.
Other one is
5 points. 5 and 3.5.
उसकी कैलकुलेशन is it by the buyer seller?
No, it's based, but just the
Price
just price base.
Oh,
This, the price moves in this direction or that direction.
अभी जैसे 30-20 का black bar आ गई like 948 पे,
Yeah.
then we should expect it to change the color after
Black.
black candle.
हाँ ब्लैक आई ना, तो एक्सपेक्टिंग तो नहीं है. एक्सपेक्टिंग तो था कि
The question is like I want to see when this will come. ऐसा हो
ब्लैक कैंडल
ना black के बाद band change.
वो तो 5 पॉइंट के बाद आएगा. तो आप वहां से मिड बैंड की प्राइस में 20 टिक्स लगाएं, आपका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा. लेकिन हमने कलर चेंज होते ही तो नहीं बाय कर लेना.
नहीं मैं उससे आगे तैयार होने की कोशिश.
लेकिन फिर आप मिड बैंड पे बैठे हैं, अगर आपने लेना है तो 6402 आपका मिड बैंड की प्राइस है. प्राइस तो लाइव बता रहा है ना.
हाँ We're going to be how to anticipate the.
No, you just go with the mid-band price. Always mid-band. See, still you are inside an SRES trade because it hasn't broken 64, 10, 25 yet. It has to break that before we decide something. So the first level of like entry, so don't enter before 12, please. That's your upper limit around there.
ऑर्डर लगा के रख सकते हैं हम
लगा जाए, no problem. जाके
With stop loss.
news is mixed. Some is green, some green is to go down this time. नहीं अभी सर कल की तरह नहीं, आज तो फिर चल रहे हैं. Exactly यही प्राइस थी कल is around this time, right? And then boom, all of a sudden this fib doesn't get respected. If you,
72 वाला
72 है ना, look today is gone up from, it's so crazy.
पर आपने 85 पे कैसे जस्ट
एरिया था ना, नहीं वो तो वो जब गई पुश हो गए तो वो 85 में जाके गिरी,
इतनी फास्ट
सब मार्केट दबाया, जो मिला साथ आ गया, right? So because when it
मार्केट दबाते थे काटा भी अपने खुद ही
नहीं एक दफा एंटर हो गया ना मार्केट दबा के. So I was like on, you know what the idea is, when you have a limit order you sit in a queue. Okay, maybe 200 orders and it will go and maybe skip you. When you're press market, you're like, forget everybody else. I want to be the number one guy. And I don't care what price you give me, just give me a contract. So you entered. So when it shot up, I wasn't taking that one trade on 72. I had it on a different platform, which I can hold. But the 85 came, I hit market and came down. It didn't give me 85. It gave me slightly 2 or 3 points का फर्क पड़ गया था कल. इतनी speed है. So
शाम को जो 4 बजे पटाखा बजा है
सर मजा आया. 2 earnings back to back. Now this will not happen, I think, in July anymore. So next craziness is happening in nothing on 25th, 28th. Visa, Microsoft. Oh, very nice. Largest winning trade, $1,000. Amazing, man. So yes, 2 more earnings this month. July 30th, next Wednesday. 2 big companies, Microsoft and Meta. So be ready from a week from today. It's gonna be brutal again. Sir, nahi, 30th of July. Third. Yes, and then next Thursday is crazy because you have Apple and Amazon. So 2 are done. Tesla and Google is done. 2 more are coming, Microsoft and Meta. And then on, so सर ये $1 trillion हैं और ये like 3.76 trillion, 1.79 trillion on Meta. Oh man, they have more capital than GDP of world's countries, right? So 2.42 plus 3.2. So July 31st is almost 5.62 trillion. And then Microsoft is 3.76 plus 1.79, almost 5.5 trillion. So both of these days is almost 2 days, $10 trillion is moving.
The FOMC news is coming that day too.
Yes. So quite a bit of few fireworks are planned, right?
Wednesday, July 30th.
So just for those people don't understand trillion, billion, million, I know. If you have $1 billion, let's say, which Bill Gates has, like quite a few people have $1 billion. And if you start spending $10,000 a day, you need 275 years to finish it. So you have to understand the part of when they talk about $1 trillion. And so Microsoft valued is which 1 trillion is 1,000 billions, right? So the wealth that these companies hold is too much. So if you have $1 billion and you spend, just like today I have $1 billion, I just want to spend, and I want to spend at a burn rate of 10,000, you still need 275 years finish it, right? So the value, that's why.
बंदे को $2 million रखने चाहिए
हाँ,
अपने पास
बाकी सब इन्वेस्ट.
cash हो गया ना you can spend $100,000 a year
No problem.
20 years में पड़ा
So on a lifespan, like, and that richest, like Elon गाली निकलने लगी थी लाइफ स्ट्रीम पे, $500 billion की उसकी वर्थ है, वो हुई थी.
They were saying that if you have like a bills, you can go to moon, come back, that's how much money you have.
So, and all of this money is made in a stock market, not in, like, you can't make it like so. Invest right, play right, your money, because you understand this. Okay, if you have a $1,500 account, let's scale up. How do you scale up? Next is you have a $15,000 account, right? Let's scale up by 10. Next is you have a $150,000 account. 3, 15, 15,000. If expected high comes, you sell 2 micros. That's $10. Let's say, okay, I'll give you 3 micros. $15 का एक micro हो गया. 3 micros are $15. Expected high comes 64.21 we are expecting, R2. And you sold and you got yourself 3 points out of it. Let's work just 3 points. So 3 points is what? 15 times 3, $45 you received by only having $1,500 in your account. If you have a $15,000 account, you can scale it up to like almost 2 minis or at least 1 mini in the entry. And if you have $150,000 account and you're playing the safest, I'm not saying, craziness out there. So $150,000 account, and let's say, how many can you hold divided by 12,000? You can hold about 10 lots of minis. So you entered with 5, half. I would reduce kar diya na, half kar diya. So 5 will become $50 a point, and then you took 3. So what? 50 times. So again, $750. So as you scale up, you don't change anything. You just change your lot size, and then it's the same thing. So people who are playing with a lot of bigger accounts, they entry right, and क्योंकि मार्केट ने तो उसी तरह मूव करना है ना, और उसी लेवल से मूव करना है. सिर्फ आपको अपना अकाउंट साइज देखना है. So I know it gets crazy, but everybody tries to push in 2 minis inside a $1,500 account, right? Oh, ठीक है, here and there it goes in your favor, but if it can quickly explode because you're trying to fit in something that doesn't have enough power. So, और जी बैठे हैं जी 23,500. So it pulled up a lot. So maybe another higher high is coming towards. So 2 more, almost 1.5 points, and then it will shoot down, hopefully. Let's see.
So this mid-band is safe? Just wondering.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. देखिए मिड बैंड अभी भी ठीक है. Yeah, both are green. Condition match. Price is coming from high. Condition match. That's it.
But it's lower high on the other side and the side. It made a lower high.
Just got another feedback. Fibonacci retracement tool is good, giving 4 to 8 ticks. That's perfect. And some users were testing this in gold and crude oil. So Fib tool, and they're saying gold is working really good too.
So gold also work good with the black candle.
नहीं, फिब वाला ज्यादा बेहतर है ब्लैक कैंडल से, क्योंकि ब्लैक कैंडल कई दफा धोखा दे देती है.
उसमें, but 30-20 की ब्लैक है।
लेकिन सर ये 60 कैसे
ओ चला गया
सर वही आपने प्राइस
टॉप आ गया
एक सेकेंड में मैं अभी गोल्ड के भी निकाल देते हैं वंस
डीपी जो है वो 15-10
सर जिधर मर्जी करें वो हर ब्लैक कैंडल के बाद इट कैन वर्क 9 5 6 okay which tool did I mention? The alert tool. All right, we are inside a new territory now. It didn't. Now we are. One more tick, please. Push up, push up, push up. What price are we? 350. So the gap has gone to 45 divided by 12. 3.75.
So do you have a video on the Fibonacci?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल बनी हुई है जी जूम के सेशन नंबर 21 जुलाई सेशन explains full fib tool.
Oh.
349.
गया all time high
So all-time high becomes the all-time high of ES. So now we have a new 75 zone. Let's see if it crosses your
R1
R1.
yeah
Yep.
कर गया
And our area worked, by the way.
यहाँ से सेल
Wait कर लें because it's in upper range में है 20 का wait कर लें. If you want to do against the trend, wait for 20.
20 पे था मैं तो 20 पे लगा सुबह से एक बीच में मिड बाइट किया था वो उसको फिल कर गया मैंने जल्दी उसमें चला गया नहीं आपके तो ठीक है नहीं अभी ऐसा नीचे है
Question is
नीचे नीचे हाँ तो बंद कर
मैं फिर उसको डबल क्लिक करता हूँ कंट्रोल ट्रेकर
6
कंट्रोल दबाया हुआ तो क्यों टूल से होता
जी सर
सर मैं वैसे आ मैं इतने तो एरोमा ही है
नहीं ठीक जा रहा है जी
नहीं यार ठीक थोड़ा जा और पता क्या है
हाँ।
डेढ़ घंटा से बैठ के तो यू हैव टू गिव 100% आगे भी तो ये तो हो जाती हो ना तो उधर दो ट्रेड मिस
ना
बस ठीक है दैट्स फाइन
I'll be right back guys.
You have to bring it here, not here.
बंदी
यहाँ
कैसे करेगा ठीक है ना
buy LMD.
मैं तो एवरीडे आता हूं क्वेश्चन उससे ही जाना
आप कंट्रोल दबाए रखो ठीक है
मैं कार बैक नहीं हो सकता
फिर LMD पे दो बार क्लिक करो सर LMD पे करो
ठीक है
हाँ दो बार क्लिक करो कंट्रोल जोड़ दो
कहाँ था वो उसके वजह से तो छोड़ देता
या फिर लेकिन देख रहा नॉट
मतलब उसके साथ अटैच करने के लिए ठीक अच्छा इसमें पहले कंट्रोल करो 2 बार क्लिक करो अटैच आ गया किसी के साथ भी अटैच कर सकते हो बेसिक
हाँ
तो इसको देख वेब
yeah
लगे नहीं
2 I lost 2 I got
अब तो मैं कहीं भी
हो जाती है you can attach it to your
just sitting
large triggers you can attach it to anything you want.
that's also बस ये ऑप्शन यहाँ पे चूज करो कहाँ पे आप मैं मजाक कर रहा है बट मैं आप ये तो इसमें कहाँ पे ऑप्शन आई है मॉडिफाई जस्ट ओके करना क्योंकि हमने उस पे करा 11 करना मिड बैंड के साथ ये ऑर्डर आपका अटैच हो जाएगा ऊपर नीचे जैसे हो जाता है ना अपने आप हो जाएगा
ठीक
आप अटैच कर सकते हैं
ऊपर जाना है तो मैं भी और फंडिंग का भी
ठीक है वॉलमार्ट काम करते हैं तरीके से सुनते हो क्यों विक्रम भाई
नहीं तो 6406 6406 है नहीं
ठीक है सर ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਾਈ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਨੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੋਸਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਲੈਂਬਰਗਿਨੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੋ
सही ਗੱਲ
ਸਾਡੇ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਲੋ ਹੈ ਵਾਲਮਾਰਟ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੈਗੇ
शुक्र है वो भी है
ਸਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਬਣਨਾ ਹੈ
दोस्त होना इज अ ब्लेसिंग
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਬਲੇਸਿੰਗ
इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग नो डाउट
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਦੇ ਦੋਸਤ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ
रिश्तेदार भी जेलसी नहीं खाता है
ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਰਾਤੀ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨ ਆ ਕਿ ਅੰਦਰ ਨਾ ਆਏ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਏ ਪੜ ਕੇ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ ਪਰ ਦੋਸਤ ਅੰਦਰ ਆਏ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੈ दोस्त हो ना ब्लेसिंग है
आप खोलें और एनी डेस्क
Sir, I did my goal already.
Okay, let's double check.
More.
Where are we right? 12. We are highest high ever in the history of histories. That's okay.
मिड बैंड लिया हुआ मैंने
ये मिड बैंड लिया हुआ है।
64 से
उसका आया हुआ है नाज़ा का आया सो
Any ES का is highest high ever.
64 कितना टच कर रहे हैं
64.12.
18 है ना R2 पता नहीं मैं लगाया ना डॉलर से हो गया प्रीमियम 6
वो ऊपर जा सकती है पता नहीं इसका कुछ फेक है ना Sir, I'm gonna close it with
So आप ऐसा करें कंप्यूटर एनी डेस्क में दो तो मैं टेस्ट करा कि what's going on. मैं होने देना
I'm for the day and leave.
ये रिसीवर ने व्हाट्सएप किया या एसएमएस किया हमें व्हाट्सएप चाहिए थोड़ा
I'm good for financial
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
दो ठीक है
देखिए इतने तरीके हैं ना करने को जैसे कि आपने स्क्वायर वन जाना कितने लिखते हैं तो आपको जो सूट करता है वहाँ पे निकलता है जो आपको कंफर्टेबल एक ही सीख रहा हूँ आगे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ मैं उसको उर्दू में
डिपेंड
चीज़
मैंने एवरेज पर बताया है 250 200 3-4 लाइन में
वो प्रैक्टिस एक्सपीरियंस हो उसके बाद
वो प्रैक्टिस में
समझ
है
वो एकदम निकल जाती है ना आंखें आपकी ट्रेन अभी नए न्यूरो बैक बन गया हमारा ब्रेन तब जाते हैं
So newer high G 62.12.50 64.12 so we're inside a new territory now.
टू की तरफ जाएगी ना बिल्कुल।
4 ही है, अभी तो 12 पे खड़ी है। और आपने व्हाट्सएप किया मुझे? टेक्स्ट मुझे मिलता नहीं है। ओके ओके लेट्स सी दिस। 1173158 Okay. See. Yeah, we're getting to that zone. आप अपना फोन पे ऐप करें ना, वो जो इंस्ट्रक्शन। नहीं पहले देखें, अभी कुछ ब्लॉक नहीं किया हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ अभी तो। वो सिर्फ आपको कह रहा है कि नहीं कैमरे से नहीं, पहले गूगल ऑथेंटिकेटर डाउनलोड करें। उसकी ये लिखा हुआ है, वो देखें, स्टेप है इंस्टॉल गूगल ऑथेंटिकेटर। नो प्रॉब्लम, विल गेट यू गोइंग। So 1450, right? Newer highs. Newer highs.
नीच तो आएगा ही आएगा सर, ये के
सर
आना चाहिए।
बहुत बड़ी वापस ले सकता है पुश। Now 3020 is getting, so we have a newer high of 15, almost 1475.
14
No, it's not working. That's not the right one. Okay. That's open.
Yes.
अब sign in करें, continue, add a code। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਨੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪਾ ਲੈਣੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰੀ
ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਦਾ
ਸੌਰੀ
add a code, scan QR code। वो कहते हैं कि ये डालें नंबर 976311, वेरीफाई। आप एक्टिव है ना, सब कुछ ठीक है तो
थैंक यू।
नो प्रॉब्लम।
सर 3000 तो बहुत बड़ा होता है। Is there any which is around 1500?
For
1500 के लिए EA account?
फिर महंगे हो जाते हैं ना, they don't let you, पर $45 में चला जाता है।
But it is 1500.
Yeah, it is, the target is 15. Yes.
That isn't better.
Yes. It is. It's your personal choice.
3 months.
Sir,
3,000 in a month is a little.
it's
for a
okay.
beginner.
It's possible. It's very much possible.
It is possible, but for a beginner, we lose. We make 800 and lose another 600.
ऐसे फिर अपना आपका मसला डिसिप्लिन है, ट्रेडिंग नहीं है. अब आपको मैं डैनियल के पास ले जाता हूँ. अब नहीं, क्या नहीं चलता है?
नहीं चलता है.
ये सुपर एरियाज आप .net पे हैं. .net पे तो नहीं जाना, .com पे जाना है. आप ये देखें .com पे जाएं, आप .net पे जा रही हैं. फिर दोबारा डालें अपना, आप कोड, अब सेकंड टाइम सिर्फ कोड डालना है फोन पे.
ये वाली
नहीं, वो जो हर दफा जब लॉगिन करना है तो नया कोड डालना है.
क्यों पहले तो नहीं था.
क्योंकि लोग एक दूसरे को पासवर्ड शेयरिंग कर रहे थे हमारे, तो हर तरफ से हमने इसको स्टॉप करना है. अभी एरियाज के अंदर भी आ जाएगी ये कि नहीं, ऑथेंटिकेटर में जाना है उस ऐप के अंदर. जो आप हर दफा वो जब आप लॉगिन करेंगे तो नया कोड डाल 183. अब आप लॉगिन करके देखें.
फिर इधर वो मैं ऑनलाइन नहीं, आगे कोई लाइव आता था ना, ये वाले नहीं हेल्प करते.
नहीं, ये इनकी अब जॉब इस तरह की नहीं है. सारा काम सेल्फ पे चला जाएगा.
ओके.
तो ये देखें, जूम आ रही है, सब कुछ चल रहा है.
अब वो
ऑनलाइन दे विल नॉट, इन पर्सन मोस्टली. देखिए वो सिस्टम हम बदल, इनका गूगल ऑथेंटिकेटर ऑन नहीं था तो वो जा ही नहीं पा रही उसके अंदर. तो वो सिस्टम हाँ जी कर दे. So 1550. Getting there again. Look at the swing, G. Like 19-point swing, one way up. Craziness. Let's see where it can come. At least should come to mid-band now.
Mid-band ले सकते हैं.
Same answer. ले सकते. नहीं, फिर मैं आपकी जगह होऊंगा तो ले सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं ले लूंगा लेकिन स्टॉप लॉस लगा के, और फिर घबराऊंगा नहीं. अगर स्टॉप लॉस के बगैर तो कोई ट्रेड नहीं जा रहा. All right, so it's trying to push up to newer highs. हाँ जी सर, वो जो 750 का होता है ना, 3000 वाला. या
Thank you, one Rafik.
no problem.
Yeah.
385. So it was traveling somewhere 298, and then it shot up to almost 386. So that's what I said. More people were thinking of buying, and that's what happened. Our mid band is sitting as around 875, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
आप उनको बोलो कि चल जाए.
So, अभी तो 11:15 maybe. Let's do it. Let's see if there is a river.
से टॉप से 8.5 करके देख सकते हैं ना कि या मिड बैंड से 8.5.
Mid नहीं higher high से 8.5 पे stop loss होगा.
मेरा तो पिक होगा पता लगेगा मेरे को पर
because I want to see where those boxes are made, then I will decide if I want to take this mid band.
Okay.
पहले वो black candle बन जाए, boxes आ जाएंगे ना. If boxes are landing inside my mid band, then you are a good retracement variation.
वो दे रहा 6.5 पे. 0.6.5 पे.
Let's
कोई क्वेश्चन इनके पास पर्डिया है राइट तो उनका यूजर नेम पासवर्ड नहीं फंस जा रहा कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं हो पा रहा
Perdia, you have to log in right here. ये देखिए ये लिखा हुआ है dashboard. So first thing is what we'll do is platform login. Yeah, username password.
तो ये इस पे कॉन्फ़िगर करना
हाँ जी पहले तो इसको Tradeovate पे जाके Tradeovate and not trade day. They're on. मसला ये कि वो खुद मसले इकट्ठे कर लेते हैं तो यहाँ जाके ये कॉपी करना है. Control V, copy. We don't block anybody. It's just she's thinking Google Authenticator blocked it. All right, so that is saved. That's agreement. Now अब जाके उसके अंदर आप Ninja में as a new Ninja user, new password. So what I'm doing right here is दूसरा काम ये करना होता है settings. It says market data. We have to activate. Now it works.
Okay.
So last
आपके यूजर नेम
Ninja में जाएं configure new connection Ninja and ये platform ये पड़ा है right here. Platform login. There.
ओके
Yeah.
अभी फिर आ जाएगी फिर आ जाएगी वो बेसिकली 61.18 तो वहाँ तक तो होता है. चलो हेल्दी 6 पे भी ले सकते हैं
64 वो 8 है 0.9
मिड बैंड में मैंने अटैच कर दिया
64
875.
So I need a black candle first to see which mid bands I will. Only issue I have personal. I looking at this. बहुत बड़ी swing है 15-10 के लिए, right? So let's see.
It may not come.
नीचे
Because that mid band and the 15-10 and 30-20 mid band is pretty coming close to each other, you know.
पर पहले फर्क होता काफी.
Yes.
सर अभी मैंने सुबह भी एक लिया था it was very close. 0.1 tick का फर्क.
अगर क्लोज होंगे तो then it's better to take it.
It's better. It's more probability.
Okay.
That is.
वो सहमति होगी 16 Sync.
Where do they want to take ES to? 62, 64.15 पे तो है.
सर 2 लगाना है।
तो my God. Nasdaq has gone back up to 400 zone.
बस लगाते हैं, जो ऊपर लगा हैं। नहीं तो ऊपर उड़ा देता है ना, कई बार ठीक है। अच्छा सर
All right, 1550 became the new high, जी.
हमने यहीं से सीधा ही R2 चला गया।
नहीं ऐसे नहीं कभी भी स्लो मिजरी से मारेंगे वो।
नहीं मतलब नीचे मेरा मिड बैंक को छोड़ के ऊपर ना चला गया। मैं तो I'm more worried about my mid bank.
लोगों के $1 ट्रिलियन डूब गए हैं, आप अपने मिड बैंड के लिए
देखो ये अपना देखो।
No, it's fair. No, that's why it's Wolf of the Wall Street, right? So the 1510 is even getting severely overbought, so it needs a retrace. Let's see. So
इसमें तो बहुत जगह है।
3020 में तो अभी almost 10.10%. So let's see.
दोनों के देखो पॉइंट्स 19 है।
Yeah,
कभी मैच
rarely. Not so. Now 82 points to 19. 82 to minus divided by 19. Almost 4.3. So 1550. अभी देखिएगा 20 पे पहुंची होगी ये। Let's see.
बहुत देर से कोई काफी देर हो गई है। We stuck in
Yes.
R1 and R2.
वो ठीक है। हाँ मेरे को ट्रेनिंग ना कुछ नहीं लेने
आ रही है थोड़ी ये तो हल्का सरूर है उतर रहा है।
बनी नहीं है।
Why you chose 20 not 18? Because it's in between 18 and 21 really, and that's it. There's no records, but more people were sitting at 20, so I just
पहला ट्राई कर रहे हैं पता क्या चलो
I know.
सारा कॉपीज किया सब कुछ किया फिर भी अभी नहीं हो रहा वो भी
निंजा का
हाँ जी अभी कर देंगे जवान
कनेक्शन।
हाँ जी
आपने पढ़ लिया इन इतने ज्यादा बनाए हुए
इन्होंने किए पहले से
ये देखें ये भी रॉन्ग है
हाँ
ये भी रॉन्ग है ये ठीक है ये भी रॉन्ग है बार चार्ट्स पे खोले हुए हैं लाइक
ये खुद से भी एक्सपेरिमेंट
ओह माय गॉड सो टेक प्रॉफिट ये ठीक है ट्रेड डे ठीक है सो कॉपी and हम करेंगे Ninja Trader username, copy, paste, copy, paste, and
The party and my party.
now my party. Okay. उतर रही है कैंडल पहाड़ी से. Let's see where does how far this is. अभी चौथी कैंडल के बाद आएंगे. Until fourth candle we don't do any of.
अब फर्क आ गया जी 30-20 का मिड वैल्यू और इसका स्कोर वन प्राइस.
Oh, गिर जा अब.
6408 के 40% के बिल 6408 से चार्ज करना है.
हाँ तो वो चेंज नहीं कर रहा ना यहाँ प्राइस.
6408 पे
8 पे है ठीक है.
38%.
6407 में कुछ दिखा रहे हैं आपको. 6407
नहीं 6406 पे 50%. वो तो नहीं है पर गोल्डन है 6403.
रात के टाइम तक मार्केट है शाम के टाइम.
टेक्निकली तो कहानी खत्म हो चुकी है. तो it's 11:21. Let's see because 12 o'clock candle will do something shortly maybe. Because that's the third candle that went up. It's a third candle. See, it's still struggling right here. Back to 400. Let's see if it breaks this time. Struggle both हो रही है to come down. So we have a history now again. 64 1550 became the highest high. So आपने कहाँ ऑर्डर लगाया?
मेरा 6409 मैंने अटैच करा उसके साथ.
अच्छा मिड बैंड के साथ अटैच किया.
और मेरा दिल कह रहा है कि मैं 30-20 वाले के साथ जाऊँ.
फिर आप उधर चले जाएं. कर रहे
या तो 2 महीने में आप चेंज होंगे या मैं चेंज होंगे.
आप ही चेंज होंगे. मैं 1000 दिन आजाद दिन से बैठा हूँ मेरा
मेरी कोशिश तो persistence रहेगी।
नहीं यहाँ
Till the time I don't go to Ontario directly.
वो 6408 पर it's not a big difference. पर जब
नहीं वो 6 पे है जी, उसका फर्क है थोड़ा सा। ये जो ये खड़ा है 77, like almost a point का फर्क। Because remember, the bigger the swinger, the chances are the fib levels will go like अभी अगर अब यहीं से calculate कर लें, समझें कि 6414 is the, let's say, if the fib level. What is the fib level? Quickly doing.
हमने किया है.
Okay, so
78 है 6400 पे.
so fib level 6415.50. Okay,
19
and 19 point swing. And दोनों साइड पे सेम ही बन रहे हैं क्योंकि स्विंग एक ही आ रही है दोनों पे, राइट? सो हायर हाई,
वो हाई भी ऊपर गई है,
yeah,
similar
same. So exactly, so we have a probability going as low as 6400 or 6403, 6406, 6408, 6411. So these are the levels. So our mid band is falling somewhere around 6408, right? So that's your healthy correction. 11 से तो 1 पॉइंट दिया था उसने, लेकिन 11 तो वैसे ही एरिया नहीं था, हमारा नीचे वाला हो गया था। सो नेक्स्ट एरिया आई एम ट्रूली वेटिंग फॉर 20 था, लेकिन वो 15 से ही आ गया। लेट्स सी, it's all about Nasdaq now. Whichever way Nasdaq takes it, ES will follow along.
आगे फिर आगे जी
Fib कुछ ना कुछ उतरा है. So look, fibs are falling inside the 06 area, 08. So now mid-band can cause you some issues. Remember, it's doing a bit of a retrace. So be ready to. Okay, here's my personal opinion. I'm not a buying guy. Number one. Number two, price can still climb up, but it's coming from all-time ever high. All time. So why do we take a risk? I don't want to take this risk. आप रखें, देखें, एक बंदा मैं रिस्क नहीं लूंगा, आप रिस्क लें, आप मुझे बताएं हुआ क्या नहीं। वो उसका जोक है, वो लाइट फिक्स कर रहे थे ना, तो उसको बंदे को लड़का दिखाता है कि ये पकड़ के दसी यार करंट पे नहीं है, कहता नहीं है, ठीक है ठीक है, तो अब देखें ये मिड बैंड की क्या पावर होती है। लेट्स सी,
मिड बैंड से और भी नीचे कर दिया।
ठीक है, आप अपने फिब का थोड़ा सा रखें कि राइट नाउ अभी तो 5 पॉइंट्स आ रहा है, अभी तो ब्रेक इवन है।
इसका 8.5 करके भी लगा सकते कुछ ऐसा।
हाँ वही है, हायर हाई minus 8.5 is your stop loss. Struggling. See, now we have a true black candle, but it should come down to either 6 or 6400, somewhere there. But it's still struggling because Nasdaq does not want to come down.
ये तो सर कुछ होना है ना तो फर्स्ट ऑफ अगस्त के बाद ही होना है ये फर्स्ट।
अगले कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बाद आप कह रहे हैं?
नहीं, ये जो ट्रम्प का टैरिफ का जो
See, it's still not climbing as what it's supposed to be. All right, 11:30 candle. आनी चाहिए तो तेज आनी चाहिए. Maybe around 12 when Europe closes, because again another record high for ES. Google is what is pushing it up? Tesla $30 down. $30 Tesla is down to $300. And Google is up $4, $3.60. So एक की अर्निंग थी, एक का बुरा. क्योंकि टेस्ला की तो खुलेआम लड़ाई है ना अभी, राइट? सो
काफी नुकसान कर रहे हैं।
अपना ही नुकसान किया सर. If he was a smart kid, ठीक है. और जो है ना, 500 बिलियन हो, 1500 बच्चे कम है.
और वो 1 लाख साल का खर्चे तब भी कितने साल चलेगी.
ये हिंदुस्तान में भी प्री पार्टीशन जो राजा रानी के कल्चर में इतनी रानियां इसलिए थी क्योंकि पैसा ही बहुत था.
प्रूफ नहीं था जी.
नहीं, प्रूफ के साथ थे क्या इतनी? हाँ, दे रहा.
ज्वेलरी दिखा के देखो जी.
यस.
आपके ही बच्चे हैं, देखो डीएनए नहीं था ना. अच्छा, ये कह रहे हैं कि ये फिप बॉक्स उसके ऊपर आ जाते तब.
हाँ, तो वो इट्स लाइक सी. सो लेट्स सी वेयर इट्स लैंडिंग. ऑल आई केयर अबाउट इज लैंडिंग. कहाँ पर जाके वो गिरेगी और फिर बाउंस हो सकती है. It is struggling right now to come down.
मैंने 775 पे लगाया है. सेफ सर ज्यादा नहीं होता है. कुछ लॉजिक उसके बिना नहीं, ऐसे तो कई है. मतलब उसके फिप के ऊपर ब्लू वाला.
Yeah, okay. एक सेकंड. नाइट सेशन हाई क्या था हमारा? 06.
7.
Yeah. So few supports are being built there. I just don't want Nasdaq to kind of lose it and पता लगे आप लोगों के stop losses hit हो गए हैं. Coming from too high. अच्छा, मेरा क्वेश्चन ही है आपसे. आपको ये मिड बैंड लेना जरूरी है? नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन ही है. सिर्फ रीजन ये होता है कि there's certain times आपके मैच कर रहा है. आपको पहले बताएं डेली टारगेट हो चुका है, ताकि मैं उससे आगे वो क्वेश्चन आंसर करूंगा.
फॉर टुडे 187.
ठीक है. एक तो डेली टारगेट से $87 ऊपर चले गए. 100 पे रिटर्न लगवाया ना हमने.
अच्छा,
गारंटी तो 100 के दी है ना.
हाँ ये उसके बताया.
तो चलें 187. आप ऐसा करें, यहाँ माइक्रो 2 लगा दें. $15 ही कमाने हैं ना, तो मिनी को छोड़े माइक्रो का टेस्ट ले लें.
मैंने डिलीट ही कर दिया.
डिलीट ही इतना घबरा गए हैं. Okay, number one, assessment है. I've done my trades. It's after 11 o'clock. I've done 187 in profits. यहाँ स्विच में उंगली ना दे क्योंकि करंट लगना है बड़े तेजी से, राइट? क्योंकि इस वक्त नैस्डैक अगर हिल पड़ी ना 12 बजे, कल वाला काम होना है, ये बड़ी तेज से आना है. Because we from experience, I'm not a buying guy. Because in the morning he had said stay in short, high to go low. That's the thing, right? What are we doing? It's going high. We're selling low. Yes, this midband is safe. Yes, this midband can work. Let's see where it actually gives us, because the midband is saying 6409. The fib boxes start anywhere from the retracement levels start differently.
वो कह रहा 60825.
क्योंकि आपका मिडबैंड फेल होगा तो मेरे पैसे बनेंगे. क्योंकि मैं शॉर्ट में हूँ.
आप लगा चुके शॉर्ट?
हर मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ट्रेल करूँ नैस्डैक में.
अच्छा नहीं,
क्योंकि when it came very close to that, so
आपसे शॉर्ट किया सर आपने?
सर 392 से 72 पे मैंने निकलना है ऑलमोस्ट.
मैं 6.09.25 पे बैठा हूँ, एक टेक छोड़ के फिर ऊपर चलेगा.
लो जी, अब आपका मिड बैंड तो पिक हो रहा. अगर आप सिम पे तो लगाएं यार, खुश तो हो जरा, ग्रीन तो देखें. खुशी के लिए सिम पे लगा लिया करें.
प्रैक्टिस के लिए.
नहीं, प्रैक्टिस के लिए सिम बहुत अच्छी चीज है. देखें ऑलमोस्ट थोड़ा सा दे रहा है, लेकिन मेरे लिए ये मिड बैंड नहीं है जी.
आपकी विशेष के खिलाफ चल रहे हैं.
अच्छा,
हम लोग आपके
because let's see where actually it retraces from. Because if I want to sell now, I would like to sell after high to low lay, black candle to the downside, then I have a better chance to go down.
ये देखो अभी मेरा देखो हो चुका है.
All right, I'm out from 72. Good.
सर छोटी गाड़ी में फिर आप कैसे करेंगे?
सर मार्केट सेल बिड सेल आस्क, जहां पर नैस्डैक 2 माइक्रो क्या पर वो जब हो रही हो ना, हाथ में खारिश के ट्रेड करना ही करना है, तो 1 माइक्रो पकड़े फेंक दें. तो आपकी ख्वाहिश भी पूरी रहेगी कि मैं ट्रेड में हूँ, आपका हार्ट बीट भी नहीं तंग होगा. तो multiple times if I get irritated, then market is not doing what it's supposed to. And what I still like to trade, I would like to go in and I say 1 micro बेच दिया जी, but that's it. But I
प्लस स्टॉप लॉस के
नहीं सर, खुले मैं एक नंगा छोड़ देता हूँ ट्रेड, घूमता फिरता मार्केट के अंदर रहता है. So because 1 micro at a 400 level, ये नहीं है कि मैं बाइंग में बैठा हूँ, सेलिंग में हूँ सर सेलिंग. So I'm absolutely not a buying type of a guy, but yes, a lot of buying happened. पिछले 4-5-10 दिनों से buying ही होती जा रही है, like, but I like to sell high to low. पिक हो गया जी आपका ट्रेड?
मैं तो बाहर बैठ
नहीं मैं सिम को ही
सिंपल में लगाता हूँ इसके साथ. रूम सेट सिंपल.
Yes, I'm out at Nasdaq at 72. Correct. In profit from 92. Got my 20 points. Good enough. और सर पेशेंस इज वर्च्यू
That's killing.
हो गया जी आपका स्लाइटली मिड बैंड जो था ना
हाँ
मैंने ना फिर वहां 15 लेके मैंने 20 पे लगाया
ठीक है ठीक सी दैट
ऐसे हुआ है
इट वर्कड
2 पॉइंट तो
लाइक 2 पॉइंट पूरे मिले जिसने रिस्क लिया उसने रिवॉर्ड ले लिया तो हमारी थ्योरी फिर चली हायर हाई से आ रही है सब कुछ ठीक है दोनों ग्रीन है तो 2 पॉइंट मिल गए So an ideal setup would be from here on, I need a black candle to the upside, then a black candle to the downside. That is my trend continuation to the down. अभी तो ये 1510 retrace ले रहा है ना तो इसके पास possible chances हैं कि it will go from higher high, higher low, then make a lower high and then go down. Higher low. Sorry. Lower high. Good, good. Sorry. I always mess this up. Yes, we're waiting for ES to go up. Yes, but it returned from. Let's see, maybe it will make a divergence here, and this time it will break 15, and it will do over, give us the 20. You never know. Never know. Interesting. Two, 230. Now went back up to around 80. Three, four. Come on, couple of orders at 65. Okay. So 15 minutes and I will close the candle of 12 o'clock and let's see. Okay. And so today only one area got tested. S1, somewhere close to S1, it got to 301. Of days low is 298. Okay. 23,298. Okay, $111 move. I will still keep my orders place. आपको मैंने 500 नंबर दिया ना 500
2020
एक बिशक 450 पे कर दें एक मैंने कि अगर वो शाम तक आता है क्योंकि अगर हमें एवरेज करने की जरूरत पड़ी ना तो हम क्योंकि अभी ना 400 25 नहीं तोड़ा, ये बहुत मेहनत कर चुका है, चाहता है हेड करता 422. So 425 is becoming a little rough for, so that's it.
आप डन हो गए?
$368. One, two, three, four.
This will become the one calling you back, Nepal, and you try to 75. अब तो आ गई अच्छी नीचे, तो अभी 30-20 वाला ले सकता हूँ.
Good answer. I mean,
30.2 उसमें चली गई बुलेट.
हाँ जी, हाई राइस से आ रही है ना, 30-20 का तो वैल्यू नहीं, टेक्निकल जो जितनी मिली ना लिमिटेड नॉर्मल कर सकते हो.
I just become the wrong year, we don't need a call. 5, 5, 5.
सुबह से आ रहा है कि 100 हुआ. क्या था इसमें, चला है
अच्छा अच्छा तो ये मिड बैंड इसका मतलब
Work.
लाची का 38 वाला चला है
हाँ 38. So again 390.
बिटकॉइन और क्रिप्टो की वजह से भी हो सकता है कि टेक्निकल चीजें तो टेक्निकल कंपनी के ऊपर उठा रहे हैं
Crypto का इससे उससे कोई ताल्लुक नहीं directly. All I need is another 10 minutes European candle to decide which way that we're gonna देखते हैं. Now हुआ तो 6420 पे तो बैठे ही हैं, right? So 300 पे आ जाना और मेरे बड़े टारगेट्स पूरे हो जाएंगे पासिंग के. Because 80 पॉइंट आ जाएगी ना तो $800 निकल आएगा 5 माइक्रो से. तो और 80 पॉइंट इसके लिए इतनी बड़ी. जो लाइव ट्रेलिंग थ्रेशोल्ड वाले अकाउंट है ना वो मसला करते हैं because you cannot leave a trade open for that long. Per dia I got no problem. It go, you can take me as long. Sir, minimum trading 10 days minimum. You cannot pass before 10. 5 of those days you need to make $200. That's a tough one, right? I mean, there's like so, and you have to make 3,000. So really 3 rules. There's no examination. You go straight into. No. Minimum 200. So you have to make. Otherwise, that day doesn't get counted. So the per dia capital is amount is counted towards your target. So you literally only have 3 rules. Number 1, make 3,000. Indefinite time. I don't care how long. Number 2, cannot complete before 10 days. आप आए एक शॉट लगाया 2 दिनों में 1500 किए. Okay, doesn't count. Number 3, they want to see at least 10 days where you trade, 5 days where you trade $200. So this is truly the thing. So नहीं सर, अगर आपके पास 5 माइक्रो सर 750 का one time. So you can withdraw the 3,000 as well, or you can take anything above 3,000. So they move you into something called the live account, semi-live. So instead of you putting 3,000 in a real account, you put your 750 with them, and they give you such a 4 times the money value. It works like a live account. You see 100, you close 0, you get 0. It's not like in Apex and other ones, you see something, you don't close it. So there you go. Let's see. It's coming towards our number again. So let's get ready. So let's see if it crosses to 420. But I need a lower high, or Allah kare lower high 15 se niche aa jaye. So then look, anybody who took that risk, you know how many points? From 409, 5 points. Risk to reward. Every single thing is about risk to reward. How much risk you will. Then we will start selling.
मैं तो सुबह से 6420 पे बैठा हूँ.
ठीक है, आप एरिया वाले फिर ऐसे ही है ना, कपड़े सूखनों की तरह लटक जाते हैं रस्सी पे. हाँ, और हवा के साथ हिलते हैं. नहीं देखिए
मिड बैंड वाली वो जो एकदम ऊपर चला गया.
वो आपने मिड देखें, उस रूल का रूल डिफरेंट है. जो एरिया ट्रेड वाले हैं ना, वो कंप्यूटर के सामने नहीं बैठते. वो लगा के छोड़ गए भाई, कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं प्राइस कंटिन्यूअसली इस तरह, but that's about it, right? So
I'm just sitting to get more knowledge about it.
yes, no, that is perfectly fine. Sit 12 hours a day, no problem. But the whole idea is the area trade guys just simply sit and wait.
अभी 12 के बाद नहीं करना चाहिए।
नहीं 12 के बाद बड़ी कैंडल है, 4 hour की कैंडल देखिए. So every candle, like the Japanese candles, they have a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 60 minute, 240 and daily. There's truly 7 big candles. So out of that, the 4 hour candle is important. It happens at 8. Now it will happen at 12. Because why 12 is important? Europe is about to close, right? So everything is about to get in sync. So after 12, then next candle is at 4 o'clock. But लेकिन फिर आगे 1 hour वाली important हो जाती है, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, because everybody around in New York will start to leave their stations. Because office खाली हो जाएगा, and then you go try to visit someday Wall Street. It's so much fun on a weekday. Just go there. नहीं बंद लाइसेंस है, वो गली में जाने दें हमें, कैनेडियंस को बड़ी बात है वो ऐसा ही है सर. पहली दफा कैनेडियन होना जलालत की निशानी हो गई पहले पाकिस्तानी होना हो रहा था, अब कैनेडियन भी होना हो रहा है. So कहने का मकसद ये है कि आप वहाँ जाके देखें. So what will happen is you will see bunch of people like in a suit, they're hedge fund managers. Yeah. So same idea. So around 12 they will get up, they got their target, कुछ फंसे होंगे, कुछ ट्रेड में सोचेंगे, strategy discuss करेंगे, and around 1:30, 2 o'clock they will go back to their cabins and try to, so it's fun.
A lot of buzz.
Because it's a hustling, bustling city, right? New York, and all the money moves there. Trillions of dollars are moving through that. International finance hub is there, so that's the situation here. So for all of that sometimes is fun to watch them, because they're out there, they're all thieves, by the way. They're all thieves. Ek number ke chor. Instead of they are trying to kill the other person to steal their money. And we're doing the same thing, just on a micro level. Why? वहां पर भी पहुंच जाएंगे, हमने हमें वही करने हैं. Out there is you sit discipline, you wait for when these big boys are moving, then we move with them. And because a retail investor, so there is always this saying I say on radio too, nobody should be trading alone unless you're built with nervous system which is rock solid, like Aves Bhai. He can trade alone. I don't get bothered because nothing bothers him. The moment you're alone and you're with this thing and you have an account, it attracts you, sucks you in. So trading should always be done at least 2 or plus more people. Here we have thousands of people connected, giving you second opinion. देखिए उन्होंने कहा मिड बैंड ले लो, मैं कहा यार मैं नहीं ले रहा, आप ले लो. Opinion हमेशा पूछते हैं ना, हमेशा थक जाएंगे. तो कहेंगे यार अगले का जवाब ही यही आता है, ग्रीन है तो ले लो, रेड है तो ना लो. So
अच्छा, अब 2 चीजें तो मैंने सीख रहा हूँ जैसे प्रोसेस, जैसे वो बताते हैं 14. आई डोंट वांट टू लर्न एंड ट्रेड दोस, बट आई वांट टू लर्न कि कैसे और ऑप्शन. अभी मेरा मिड बैंड नहीं आ रहा,
ठीक है,
अब मैं घंटा
देखिए फिर आप अपना ऑर्डर ये इसके नीचे लगा जाके 1125 के नीचे बाइंग बनेगी. 11 अगर बाइंग ही करनी है तो 1125 के नीचे एक ऑर्डर लगा सकते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड लो ऑफ द बार.
1125
ये देखिए ना, नहीं ईएस के 1125. ये देखिए मेरा ऑर्डर लगा हुआ है ना, मैं आपको सिम पे लगा के दिखाता हूँ. सो यू आर सेइंग कि यार बहुत मैंने कुछ लेना ही लेना है, कुछ खरीदना ही खरीदना है. नहीं मैं वैसे बता रहा हूँ, अंदर से तो यही जज्बात उठते हैं कि ये देखिए कर नहीं रहा ना, तो राइट क्लिक किया एंड आई विल डू ए बाय लिमिट. So what have I done here?
Bottom of the
Bar. This is my safest trade right now, right? Yes, nothing is. So every candle, there's a bottom of the bar. Every candle, there's a top of the bar. बार का टॉप एंड बॉटम है ना, तो अगर मैंने जाना ही है ग्रीन में ही जाऊंगा ना ऊपर, तो यहाँ मेरी प्रोबेबिलिटी सही है. So after the black candle, actually I will personally remove this order and I want to get the fourth candle. Then if you want to go up, go bottom of the bar. चलते जाएं ऊपर. Meaning वो आपका order लगेगा.
बिल्कुल बॉटम पे नहीं आती.
नहीं आ जाती. ना आए तो छोड़ दें. ना आए, no problem. So you have to truly, this is called scalping method on the bottom of the bar. So when it's green, buy bottom of the bar. When it's sell, so this happens on a slow market. So slowest market is okay, nothing is moving. Like if somebody bought this right here, I got 30-20 bottom of the bar. They got their couple of points done, right? So let's see if I want to buy here. Only shoe I see here, I don't have a black candle.
Yeah.
This is a third candle. So 1, 2, 3, and things could literally go crazy from here, you know?
Yeah.
So I don't want to, it's a 12 o'clock ho gaya ji aapka. 12 o'clock ho gaya. So let's see the candle closes where. तो पता लगे कि
कैंडल को जब देखते हो क्लोज तो उसका प्रीवियस हाई से ऊपर हाई है तो इसका दैट कैन गो अप.
हाँ जी. So right now it's stuck on that candle. 12 o'clock candle doesn't seem to have a big difference now. So it's okay. Let's see. It's technically supposed to go down now to at least, like I said, वो बन रही है. So if you take, let's say you take bottom of this candle, it's not a healthy, I took the trade, like बिल्कुल bottom से लिया ना, वो ले लिया जी. Because I don't have a black candle to the upside, well, it failed. Like, and our तो fourth candle के बाद ये काम करने हैं. ठीक है? So I will close.
Similar thing from 30-20.
Yeah, so that's the bottom of the bar on 30-20. Yeah, but that's a different.
Black के बाद लेता, but it was not green, तो
Yeah.
wait कर सकता.
Yes.
Once it changes into green, I can go bottom of the bar.
No. Wait. It's right now 30-20 is still bottom of the bar. It's still bottom of the bar. देखिए बार के नीचे खड़ा है वो. स्पीड से आ गया जी. काम मेरी बड़ी तेजी से हुआ. Nasdaq कहाँ गई? Oh my God, I'm in profit. Close trades. Come on. Close trades. Good. It went to 364. That's good. So, see, right now your 30-20 mid-band worked, by the way. It's giving you couple of points. Let's see.
ये तो gap trade भी था ना जी.
ये gap trade ही है जी. अभी पूरा confirmation नहीं हुई.
15 तो सर ये टॉप ऑफ द बार वाला.
अभी टॉप ऑफ द बार नहीं आया. टॉप ऑफ द बार आता है जब ब्लैक कैंडल के बाद लोअर हाई मेरे पास आ जाए तो मेरी कंफर्मेशन पूरी हो जाएगी.
क्योंकि डेनियल साहब बता रहे कहते एक कैंडल में $125.
हाँ बिल्कुल है.
ब्लैक कैंडल में $400.
नहीं, ये नहीं बताया कि काम 4 साल पहले होता था. अब ज्यादा पैसे बन जाते हैं आपके या मिड से या एरिया से.
हाँ ये मिस हो गया, इसका देखा नहीं. फिर भी आ गया था 30-20 में.
हाँ जी.
ये सर नाइट सेशन हाई के पे करके गई है.
फेब के अभी भी चल रहे हैं वो.
अब वो देखिए नए वाले फेब आ गए ना.
हाँ जी.
फोर्थ कैंडल के बाद
6-4
So 12 o'clock candle is red on Nasdaq and it is red on ES. Let's see how far it can drop now. That's all we are waiting for. to figure out. But so my closing remarks as of 12:03 p.m. Eastern is my personal opinion is if I want to sell, I would sell from 23,500 or at least R2, or at least if I want to make it slightly lower. So 23,480 to 500 is the number to watch for. And then for ES again is 6420 I would sell from. So that is my personal planning. And we'll see how things go accordingly whenever things go wherever, right? So let's see. One, two, three, 4, 5. I think I'm in a trade somewhere. Okay, yeah, I was.
क्या plan है?
Sir, plan before I go, I'm planning 6420 and I'm planning R2 and R2. Problem is it didn't go break anything. Today was just an S1, so nothing really kind of, so you can say a little bit of a crappy trade. Not crappy, but no.
आज वहाँ जाना है?
Any? Every day, sir. Every day, by the
Ready?
6871. राइट जी दुकान बंद करें आप लोग बैठे It's okay. I'm not kicking you guys out. I'm just saying I gotta go because 9 to 12 is reasonable for me. हाँ बैठे no.
ऑफिस में ना चल नहीं रहा. So now I thought कि कोई वहाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम है वाईफाई की. So वहाँ पे जो डायरेक्ट आती है ईथरनेट टू सी मिलता है ना कनेक्शन.
Yes.
तो उससे शायद चल रहा है मेरा. इनके पास होगा मैजिक कंप्यूटर्स के पास
होगा
हॉटस्पॉट नहीं मेरे ऑफिस में कनेक्ट. ये जो लॉग्स आते हैं वो लॉग्स में दो माइक्रोस होगा कि एक लगाऊं तो एक 18 पे लगा मैंने 20.
हाँ ठीक है
खुला छोड़.
हाँ विथ 4 दिन हम ट्रेड में फंसे रहते हैं कोई बात नहीं फिर भी मैथ सही किया हो तो निकल आते हैं. It's not a huge problem.
आपके पास ऐसा डाटा है कोई like there's so many students जो काम कर रहे हैं they are doing successful उनका क्या
3%.
हाँ जी
3%.
ओ इसमें 3%.
सिर्फ 3%.
तो वो क्या कर रहे हैं?
Patience. West by
which
number one area. Number one area. They're just going second one. They're trying to do either the mid-band trades or bottom of the bar. जो retracement divergence है ना क्योंकि हमारे पास stats आते हैं कि कितने कौन कर रहे हैं. The most successful ones are the area ones, where they just wait for the number.
एक आध बार उल्टा सीधा होता है.
सर 90% ठीक है. तो 10 में से, लेकिन जो लोग सिर्फ एक्सपेक्टेड हाई ले रहे हैं वो मैंने फेलियर नहीं देखा. एक आध दफा कोई साल में
Expected है.
high. So when you are getting to expected high, generally it's giving 5 points, no problem. So if you have 5 days of working, only 2 days are coming expected high, they're taking it, otherwise they're not. Right? So of course आपका क्रैश ही नहीं होगा, आप गाड़ी नहीं चला रहे, घर में बैठे हैं, तो आपको 100% विन है. तो जितनी देर आप बार बार ट्रेड में जाएंगे प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी, मीनिंग कि आपने हर कैंडल में जाना है.
वो तो
So
रिस्की हो गया.
so the
अच्छा, ये फर्स्ट हो गया. सेकंड इज मिड बैंड.
min band is the most widely used globally.
ठीक है. तो मैं फिर
And third, actually, before I do the retracement, the Fibonacci levels. These Fib levels are third common amongst our students to use them. ये जो boxes बनते हैं ना, ये different golden ratio या deep retracement वाले. Most people, because that's a global method.
I have tried to.
Yeah.
किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाओ, it's a built-in like moving average.
Yes.
दिया होता है.
Yeah. Most
पर वो
people.
आपको डाल के खींचना.
हाँ, देखिए हमारे वो डब्बे बना देता है, वो डब्बे बना दिए ना कि अब वहीं पर वो खड़ी है उस बॉक्स के ऊपर. राइट. सो
ये डब्बे का एक्सप्लेन करो.
वही नहीं, वो डब्बे फिब के लेवल्स हैं, फिब्स के बॉक्सेस हैं कि इसके ये रेंजेस हैं. वही 62, 38, 78. ये देखिए चार नहीं, इधर देखें. हर चार्ट पे 2 ब्लू आएंगे, सॉरी 1 ब्लू आएगा, 1 ग्रीन, 1 रेड, 1 येलो. 4 लेवल्स है ना फिब के. तो वो पहली रेंज, दूसरी रेंज, तीसरी और चौथी को एक शेड बना देता है.
ठीक. तो अभी ब्लू है कि ब्लू के बॉटम से वो
बाउंस होना चाहिए, करेगा कुछ भी नहीं है, लाइक पॉसिबल प्रोबेबिलिटी.
सेम इज विद ग्रीन.
करेक्ट.
But उस टाइम तक will it our background color?
नहीं, it had nothing to do with background. Like fib levels do 0 on the.
But generally one or 2 points.
हाँ, कल भी ये कह रहा था कि अराउंड 4 से 6 टिक्स मिल जाते हैं. इतना बुरा हाल नहीं है.
Okay. Either 15, 10 or 20.
Correct.
पर लेवल तो सेम ही होंगे दोनों साइड अगर आ रहे हैं.
हाँ, नहीं, वो स्विंग पे डिपेंड करता है. उसकी स्विंग डिफरेंट है, 30 मिनट डिफरेंट, 60 मिनट. So every Fibonacci swing level is slightly different.
अच्छा, ये थर्ड हो गया. इसमें इसके बाद भी कुछ है नहीं?
नहीं, 14 मेथड है. 14 में let me just pull up the 14 methods.
I don't.
A lot of people do no. So a lot of people then follow position trading because they go into something called a live trading environment. Those are levels. So they're watching different chart, at least the 4 bottom charts, 30, 20, 60, all these charts, they're watching differently. So this is called, the word is called position trading. So you are going from a point to a point, right? And we look at based on these positions on a 30-minute chart, 60-minute chart, 240 and 1440. So every chart kind of gives you slightly different. So I would like to exit from here.
They take that swing.
Correct. So for example, I'm recommending a couple of guys with live recommending, as in this is what I'm doing. If you want to go ahead and do it, know your losses is if ES goes to 64.20, I'm going to enter a trade in a short position with 2 micro lots, and I will hold it 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 5. How long can I hold it? Until September, because the contract ends around there, right? So this contract. So because it's a huge swing, you know how big this swing is? Almost 24 points. Let's go bigger chart. 300, let me check the swing size. On a 60-minute chart, kidhar gaya ji mouse? Oh, it's this one. Sorry. So ES has a swing for 60-minute, 30-minute. Sorry, this is where I gotta click. It's $96 move. So if I entered somewhere, because it's overbought. So every single analysis tool here is telling me price has gone bonkers. It's crazy. It's bananas, right? Look, if I look at ES on daily chart, बिल्कुल सर, ये आप सारों के पास हैं जी सारे chart, okay? ये daily है, ये daily. देखें 450 पॉइंट की स्विंग आ गई है यार, कहाँ से?
जिसने यहाँ लिया होगा
नहीं अभी कोई इतनी देर नहीं बैठता, ये भूल जाए आप. So some people with $1 million accounts, then they will sit longer. So everybody should be in short somewhere around here, and they will sit until where? 61117 tak, right? So they will sit until around there. Based on I'm using the 240-minute chart, and I said it's outside of the bounds. Every time it goes outside of the bound, it bounces back in. We can take at least, I would say, 30 points out of it. 30 points means $300 with 2 micros. छोड़ना है ना, ये पैसे invest किए हुए, लगे हुए हैं, छोड़ देना. This is not a day trading. Now we are going into futures trading, Some days we go in for 20 points, comes faster. With Trump, it's very good. Why? Things happen very fast. So if you are entered somewhere around short, you should be exiting 63 pivot. तो हमने निकलना है सर, अगर वो 20 पे आती है, अभी तो गिर ही रही है, so 87 तक, 90 तक, 63 90 तक हम उसको कर सकते हैं. 63 90 minus 64 20, that's 30 points. That's $300 for doing nothing, just knowing when to enter.
Yeah.
So this software then kind of comes as handy and tells us, all right, this is a good way to enter. कई दफा आप एक माइक्रो लेके छोड़ देना एक्सपेक्टेड हाई से. So I have done this so many times. Live account है $2,000 का, छोटा वाला.
जब माइक्रो लेके छोड़ने का मतलब है कि यू आपने स्टॉप लॉस
नहीं, ये काम होते हैं लाइव अकाउंट में. ये एंड ऑफ डे $2,500. You need minimum to do 1 micro Nasdaq, because you need $2,000 block होगा. Then they want you to give you, look, Fibonacci levels work beautiful. कहाँ से bounce कर रही है? Green के bottom से bounce कर रही है, right? So that's beside the point. Give me 1 second. Let me start training my. This one is 48. Sorry, I will come back to the conversation shortly. Just want to put in a trade before I leave. 50 grand. So if you have a $2,000 live account and you are 2,500 floating loss, then you can pick a trade and leave it open for until the end of contract. So if the price goes to, let's say, expected high, and you leave 1 micro, then you're not chasing only 15 points. You're chasing long. And because मैं कल देखूंगा, परसों देखूंगा. So that's the whole idea of leaving your trade open for 1 micro, $2,000 plus your floating loss, 500. 25 is good enough. So what people do is they go in 2,500, they start playing 5 micro. You can't hold it. Yeah. I've had one guy who would just do the trading in the day and then leave 1 or 2 micros. वो छोड़ देंगे. So, but then you have to know how to plan your trades properly, right? You can't mess it up. Otherwise, you hit the close button on the wrong time, wrong side, wrong lots. So the price is stuck around here. So it's not breaking 425, so I'm going to call it quits now. See you guys. Thank you. And I'll upload the deep dive 10-minute commentary of this, what went down. So what am I leaving you guys with? 23,500, 64.20, 23,100, and 6,300. वो बिल्कुल नीचे वाले. So if it crashes, we'll watch 63. वो तो extreme low से भी नीचे निकल जाना, but somewhere around 63.50 should be okay. Before, because we are almost 80 points. तो एक दिन में सिर्फ अगर ट्रम्प ने कोई टैरिफ लगाए फिर ही कुछ होगा. So home sales are less, so time to call it a day. Enjoy. और जी
तुम करें
मैंने क्या, वो मुझे परेशान ही हो गई. मैं क्या हम तो किसी को ब्लॉक ही नहीं करते जी.
वो साइड गेम.
Let me just close this up and done.